How to stop your Windows PC from waking up automatically? Here's how to stop it. First, open the Start menu on your Windows PC. Type Command Prompt, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Now, type the following command and press Enter. Power CFG-device query-wake armed. This command shows every device that's currently allowed to wake your computer, such as your keyboard, mouse, or network adapter. Next, open Device Manager from the Start menu. Find each device listed in the command prompt results. For example, if you see HID keyboard device, expand the Keyboard section. Right-click the device and choose Properties. Open the Power Management tab, then uncheck Allow this device to wake the computer. Click OK to save the changes. Repeat the same steps for every device listed by the command. For example, if your Realtek PCIe network adapter appears in the list, expand Network Adapters. Open its properties, go to Power Management, and disable the same option. Once you've updated all the devices, restart your computer and test sleep mode again. Your PC should no longer wake up automatically because of those devices. If your computer still wakes up unexpectedly, it could be caused by wake timers or scheduled tasks, which you can check in your Windows Power options. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more Windows tips and troubleshooting guides.